Good morning, students. Today we will learn how to determine the liquid limit of soil using Casagrande apparatus. क्वेश्चन आ सकता है क्या? लिक्विड लिमिट कैसे करते हैं? कौन सा apparatus का नाम क्या है? वाइवा में पूछेंगे, याद रखोगे। वाइवा में पूछते हैं जो भी बैठे। लिक्विड लिमिट can be determined in the laboratory by Casagrande apparatus. Casagrande is again a scientist who designed an apparatus to determine the liquid limit. ठीक है? In the laboratory, the liquid limit of a soil is determined with the help of the standard liquid limit apparatus designed by A. Casagrande. The apparatus consists of a vulcanized rubber compound base with a brass cup suitably mounted. The brass cup can be raised and made to fall on the rubber base through a cam arrangement operated by a handle. The height of fall of the brass cup can be adjusted with the help of an adjusting screw. About 120 gram of air-dried soil passing through Indian Standard C 425 micron is taken and mixed with water such that the soil attains a putty-like consistency. A portion of the paste is placed in the cup and is labeled so as to have a maximum depth of about 10 mm. After that, a groove is cut in the soil placed in the cup using the grooving tool. The handle is rotated at the rate of 2 revolutions per second and the number of blows necessary to close the groove for a distance of 30 mm is noted. Then about 10 gram of soil near the closed groove is taken to determine its water content. By altering the water content of the soil and repeating the operation mentioned above, 4 to 5 readings of water content in the range of 10 to 40 blows are obtained. Graph is plotted between number of blows n on a logarithmic scale and the water content W on a natural scale. It will be seen that a semi-logarithmic graph is plotted called flow curve. The liquid limit is determined by reading the water content corresponding to 25 number of blows on the flow curve